Good morning, guys. I'm having my coffee and going to walk our doggy. Usually Peter doing it, but he doesn't feel very well. He have a cold, so today I'm going to walk Dash. You ready, buddy? Let's go. Let's go. Feel better. Let's go for a walk. We're going to walk on the beach a little, and then we'll stop by supermarket to buy some little breakfast. And that's it. I don't have a plan for today, but I know that I need to do video. I need to do laundry and maybe a little cleaning. Also, we was planning to go on the beach with sandwiches, enjoy, but he doesn't feel very good. He have a little cold, so depends how he felt. Maybe yes, maybe not. We'll see. So Brazilians, they usually walk at morning and at evening on the beach from one end to another. So yeah, we walk also, but not all way, not today. I just come back from grocery store. Let me show you what I bought. Avocado. You see how big they are in Brazil? It's like a small one or middle one. They have twice bigger. My favorite mandarins, like a lot of them. Limes, some carrot, zucchini, broccoli, 2 kilo of chicken, and this chicken breast for Tasha. Also I bought some, it's called cheese bread. It's like a little bread things with cheese, really good.
Cheese puffs are there for
cheese puff.
bread, but it's puffy, so it's cheese puffs.
I think they have it only in Brazil. Also I bought some pastel, it's called. It's also Brazilian things.
They're good.
Yeah, they're really good. Let me show how it looks like this. We're gonna have one each for breakfast today, and I'm gonna have some broccoli. So here is my breakfast. I try to have some vegetables in every meal and a pecan for dessert. Bon appetit.
Keep going. Bye, buddy.
It's much warmer outside than in our apartment.
Yep.
So we are going for lunch in same place where we was yesterday. I didn't put makeup on today, just let my skin a little rest because I put makeup pretty much every day. Here are my lunch: salad, broccoli, cauliflower, piece of fish, and sausages. So we just paid our bills for apartment, for insurance. And what you said?
Oh, I spent a lot of money today.
Another expensive day.
Yes.
But it's like bills, you know, you don't have a choice. It's not. How our dog meet us after, I don't know, 1 hour away. Hi, baby. Hi, Tasha. You're so happy to see us. Oh, you're so happy though. This is my beach outfit. I think it's my favorite swimsuit. I still need to lose like 2 kilo. Will be happy after, but working on it. So I just put sunscreen on my face, getting ready for the beach, and gonna make one drink and we'll go. So it's getting a little chilly outside, a little windy, so I stole a t-shirt. But it's pretty warm shirt for Thailand. You see here.
It's too warm for most countries.
You can see how big this t-shirt. So I just come back after beach. I need to marinate chicken to do video, and I want to take a hot shower. So yeah. I'm gonna cook chicken tonight, and I want to show you how I marinate it. I did it a few weeks ago, it was really tasty. So first I do a little cut with knife next to the bone on each piece. And after I use a fork to do a little cuts also. For marinade, I'm using olive oil, just a little bit, soy sauce, hot sauce. If you don't like hot, you don't need to put. I use these spices for steak, Montreal steak. If you don't have the spices, I will put just salt, pepper and garlic. And that's it. And now you just need to massage the chicken very well. I'm gonna leave chicken for a few hours to marinate in fridge and then gonna bake it. I also cut vegetables. I'm gonna bake it. I use the same sauce and I'm gonna put these things on. Vegetable done. I'm going to put chicken. It's time for Tosh to eat, to have a dinner. I cooked an egg in microwave and gonna add some dry food. We use pedigree. We feed him half human food and half dog's food. Okay, baby, you ready? Your food is coming. Your dinner. Yeah. Bon appetit, my baby. Bon appetit. I know you're hungry. So for dinner tonight, chicken, vegetables and a few pieces of cheese. Peter have same food, but I have more onions, he have more carrots.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Okay, have fun, guys. Tosh, enjoy your walk.
He's ready. Last week. Not doing great on today.
Yeah, having cold.
Still cold.
Yeah, so we're going to rest, watch a little TV and go to bed. I hope you feel better tomorrow.
I'm not done. Just don't feel superb.
Okay, say good night.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, guys.